Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a transition to your videos on CapCut PC. So if you only have one clip, you can't add in the video transition, so you have to make sure you have more than one clip. Or if you don't, that's fine. Just select your clip and split it in a few sections. I'm just going to split it in these sections here. I'm just going to delete the rest. Oops. Go to transitions here and select the video transition you want to add to your video. I'm going to add this one, which will be added on this one. And you can also adjust the duration here. And I'm also going to select this clip and I'm going to add in this as, oops, hold on. Make sure you go to this part. Make sure you're selected, by the way. Then I'm just going to add this one. You can also adjust the video duration if you want, or sorry, the video transition duration. Make sure you select it first though. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!